Welcome back to my channel Auto Vibe. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Pickup is an exciting addition to the automotive world, combining the practicality of a pickup truck with the efficiency and reliability of the legendary Corolla. Toyota has always been known for producing durable, fuel-efficient, and affordable vehicles, and this new pickup aims to bring those qualities into a compact truck format. Designed with a sleek yet rugged look, the Corolla Pickup features a modern front fascia inspired by the latest Corolla sedan and crossover models. Its aggressive LED headlights, bold grille, and sculpted body lines give it a sporty and dynamic appearance. Unlike traditional full-size trucks, the Corolla Pickup is built for urban and suburban drivers who need a versatile vehicle without the bulk of a larger truck. Under the hood, Toyota offers multiple engine options, including a fuel-efficient 2.0L four-cylinder engine and a hybrid powertrain for those who prioritize fuel economy. With an estimated 35+ miles per gallon for the hybrid version, the Corolla Pickup sets a new standard for efficiency in the compact truck segment. The power output is expected to be around 169 horsepower, providing a balanced mix of performance and economy for daily driving and light-duty hauling. Inside the cabin, Toyota has packed the Corolla Pickup with high-tech features and premium materials. The interior borrows heavily from the Corolla sedan, featuring a 10.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a digital driver's display, and advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. The seating is comfortable and spacious, making it a great option for both work and leisure. One of the biggest highlights of the Corolla Pickup is its practicality. The truck bed, though smaller than full-size pickups, is designed to handle everyday cargo needs. Whether it's for carrying tools, small furniture, or weekend adventure gear, the bed is well equipped with tie-down hooks and a durable composite liner. Additionally, Toyota might introduce a retractable tonneau cover and underbed storage options to enhance usability. Safety is always a priority for Toyota, and the Corolla Pickup is no exception. Standard safety features include Toyota's Safety Sense Suite, offering automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. These features ensure a secure driving experience, whether on city streets or highways. In terms of pricing, Toyota is expected to keep the Corolla Pickup within an affordable range, making it a great choice for first-time truck buyers, urban drivers, and small business owners looking for a practical vehicle. With Toyota's reputation for durability and low maintenance costs, this compact pickup is likely to become a popular choice in the market. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Pickup is set to redefine what a compact truck can be. By combining efficiency, practicality, and modern technology, Toyota is catering to a growing demand for smaller, more fuel-efficient trucks that still offer versatility and utility. Whether for city commutes, small business needs, or weekend getaways, this truck is shaping up to be a game changer in the segment. What do you think about the 2025 Toyota Corolla Pickup? Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest cars.